Alright guys, so we just made it to the Caverns of Sonora. It's first come first serve at the campsite, so we were a little concerned that we wouldn't have a spot, but as you can see, we did not have a problem at all.
Yep, there's like one other RV on this little strip for pull through, so it's pretty nice.
We are a little large and in charge, but
Yeah.
we're in there. We fit.
Last time, you joined us as we ate our way through Austin, Texas. This time, we leave the city and explore some caverns and canyons in Sonora, Texas and Big Bend National Park. So sit back, relax, and join the adventure.
We're gonna go pay for our spot and then go ahead and buy our tickets to see the caverns tomorrow. It's a nice outfit you got there. You just She should come back from the 90s.
Yeah.
Cave was super cool. I missed recording when she was talking about the history of it. So apparently when it was founded in 1905, and the owner's dog fell through a hole about 50 feet down into the cave, and then when they went to go rescue him, that's when they found this huge cave. So it's been his property ever since, and now they open it up. Really, really cool stuff. Now we're about to hang out in Minthe, and then we're gonna be in Big Bend tomorrow. Alright guys, so we just made it to Study Buddy, or as Carol likes to say,
Study Butt. Spelled B-U-T-T-E.
Turns out, we were both wrong. It's pronounced Studi Booty.
The drive here was super pretty. It was like those long, straight roads that you see in the movies, and then we drove through some mountains.
Yeah, I was like, every single corner you would just see like this incredible view, and it was breathtaking.
About to set up the campsite, and then we're gonna be in Big Bend tomorrow. Hashtag RV life. Not in North Carolina anymore. Alright guys, so Big Bend,
Oh my gosh.
amazing.
Yeah. It wasn't originally on our places to go, but we decided to add it, I think like 2 weeks ago, and I am so glad we did.
Blown away.
The views are absolutely insane.
Yeah, the videos probably don't even do it justice. Like, every time you turn a corner, it's just something brand new. The views are amazing. So, Big Bend is a must visit.
Yeah. It is incredible. But tomorrow we are going to go back, so you can buy a pass there. Well, I guess you have to buy a pass. There's not an option. But it's a 7-day pass, so you can go back as many times during that time. And tomorrow we're going to go back and we're going to have a surprise for you guys.
So we woke up a little early. We also slept terribly. But apparently, during sunrise, you can see the Milky Way galaxy. So
Hopefully.
we're gonna go see if that's true. So no Milky Way galaxy, but hopefully we got some cool time-lapse videos. Oh, and the surprise is still coming. So our surprise was we were gonna cross over into Mexico here at Big Bend National Park. But as you can see, it's closed. We're a little upset about that, but I guess it's because of COVID, so understandable.
Fucking COVID.
Yay, let's go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's gonna do it for this video. Big Bend has been amazing, but cold.
Yes, it was freezing today. But tomorrow we head to New Mexico.
New Mexico! So if you're brand new, go ahead and subscribe. And if you like this video, hit the like button and the bell icon if you want to be notified whenever we post new videos. Bye.
Bye.